Hello kids, today I am going to make a garden for you. Take your pencil, take your colors, take your eraser. We are going to start. Take your pencil. Here is our slipping page. One slipping line on a center page, or if you want to make it little bit more upside, you can make it more upside. One slanting line going towards the end point of the page. Same thing here. One slanting line going towards the end side of the page. Here our garden's path is there. This is a garden's walking path. Now we are going to make it entrance. One standing line, one standing line, one more standing line, one more standing line, and curve with the entrance. One more curve on upside. This is our entrance. Now one slipping line as our main wall of the garden. Again slipping line as a main wall of our garden. Now I am going towards opposite side. One slipping line, one more slipping line. Our wall is ready. Now if you want to show a path which is going out of the garden, this is a path which is going out of the garden. Now few bushes on the sides of the path. I will be stopping this point because at the surrounding path it is a walking straight where garden is there. Same thing here. Again I am going to make it bushes. One more slanting line going towards downside. One more slanting line going towards downside. One slipping line coming towards edge of a paper. One more slipping line going towards that side. One more slanting line going towards end. This is a walking path, and these are the garden, two gardens, where sometimes you can find it sand park also, and sometimes you can find it गार्डन लोन वाला पोर्शन भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है, and you will also sand part of thing. Same thing on opposite side. One slipping line, again one slipping line, and one slanting line going towards outside. So this is my four part of my garden. If you want to make it at a center, fountain one, standing line, one curve, one more curve, and curve at the downside. Here fountain. Here is our fountain at the center. Now I am going to make it a tree where it is outside of a garden. One tree outside of a garden. One more on opposite side. Now I am going to start my color. Here I am going to make it sky blue color, very light in a sky. Very light, I am filling inside. Very light, fill it light. So that's our sky. Do not go in a sky, do not go in a tree portion. Again within the center, this is our sky. Now I am going towards tree portion and bushes portion, so I will take it light green color. I will be filling in a slanting manner. Here I am going to take it black color. For showing my lightness of a path, I am filling it very light. Same thing on opposite side, take it black color, very light, very light. If you want to make it gray, you can apply white color on it, so you will get it a gray color. If you got a gray color, you can use it directly. I am going to blend that color and I am giving a texture of a road. Here my road is ready. Now I am going towards a back portion. Again I am using black color back very lightly. Same thing on opposite side. And using white color for showing the texture of a cement. This is a wall which is built with a cement. Same thing on opposite side. And a gate, I want to make it a very lovely gate with a red color. Here I am making it very dark so it can be visible. A lovely gate is ready. Now same thing here, I want to make at a center point muddy way. So I am going to take it light brown color, use it light. Same thing on opposite side. I am using light brown color. If you didn't got a light brown color, you can use it ochre yellow. If you didn't got a light brown color, you can use it chocolate brown color plus yellow color. So you will get it light brown color. Now I am going to use it yellow color few very lightly, एकदम हल्के से. Same thing here. This is our kacha wala rasta. So I am going to show you a light brown color here. Now I am going to make it road at outside. Again black color lightly and white color on that, so it will be a pakka road going outside the garden. Now orange color, I want to make it a fountain downside portion, and inside I am going to make it some sky blue color to show the water, very light, even also upside. Make it few curves. Here our fountain is ready and our garden is ready.